My presentation is about coronavirus in animals, and some background information is coronaviruses are a large group of viruses that cause different diseases in animals and humans, and the name comes from the spike proteins that are attached to the surface of the membrane. And most of the time, the coronaviruses create infections in the upper respiratory system and the whole respiratory system. Coronaviruses and bats are closely related because bats are a very common reservoir host for the viruses, and they contain many different strands of coronaviruses. And coronaviruses are zoonotic, which means they can transfer from animals to humans. And severe acute respiratory syndrome was an outbreak that happened in 2002, and it was thought to have originated from bat species. And when they did a genomic sequencing of bats, they found that the bats had an almost identical genome to STARS-related isolates that they had from humans. MERS was a Middle Eastern respiratory syndrome that happened in Middle Eastern countries, and it's a viral respiratory disease that was caused by a novel coronavirus. And certain researchers suggest that camels were major reservoir hosts for the virus, and the camels were the cause of transmission from animals to humans. And they transmitted it through close contact, and then those humans would then um, transmit it through other humans. Coronaviruses in ocean life and ocean environments. Coronaviruses affect marine life, but the viruses that affect marine life are slightly different than the viruses that affect humans. And in 2008, a white beluga whale was discovered to have a mammalian gamma coronavirus, and beluga whales have shown signs of having severe liver disease from the virus. And coronaviruses have also been found in bottlenose dolphin samples, but the dolphins didn't show any signs of infections or any signs of illness. Minks are a very recent discovery of a strain of coronavirus, specifically the SARS-CoV-2 virus, and they carry a variant strain of it. And they act as a reservoir for this new strain, and they pose a threat for virus spillover from minks to humans. And it shows that this strain has moderately decreased sensitivity to neutralizing antibodies. And coronaviruses are very closely related to animals, and they derive lots of different pandemics and have a global impact. And research is important for development of vaccines and possible therapies for this virus.